What's up guys, LaShondacapri here. I am back with a brand new video. It's been a very long time since I've done a video, but as you can tell by the title, I will be showing you how I get this cut. It's all even, all the way around, something simple. I'm no professional. This is how I cut my hair, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because sometimes I can't make it to the barbershop, and I usually cut my hair by myself, and sometimes I do go to the barbershop if I'm feeling lazy. But I was like, hold up, it's time for me to have a haircut. Why don't I show you guys how I cut my hair? Now usually I will put a design in my hair, but this time I did not. I just wanted to keep it simple. Obviously, as you're looking at it now, I need to re-dye it blonde, which I am, but I'm also thinking about maybe dyeing it another color. I'm not gonna tell you guys. You guys are gonna have to continue to watch for the next video that I do. But anyways, let's jump straight into this video. And before I actually jump straight into the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, share this video, and make sure you turn on the ringer bell so you don't miss any videos from me. So as I said before, let's jump straight into the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you do subscribe, make sure you like it, share it, and give this video a thumbs up. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later.